Hi everyone, today I'm going to review this Alefjall IKEA chair after 1 month of use. Please watch the whole video to find out why you should or should not buy this chair and why I regret buying this chair after 1 month of use. First, let's talk something about materials. This chair from IKEA has a very sturdy build. These metal pieces are so thick, you can literally feel the quality. You can see how these parts are thick. This pole here, these parts here, everything is big, sturdy metal. It is obviously that this chair is built to last. I don't have any complaints about build quality. When we are talking about this mechanism, you have two levers. One lever here is to take chair up and down. And you have second lever here on the other side to take this sitting place front and back. Also, you can adjust this backrest by unscrewing this part and putting it up or down. Now let's talk something about this leather material. This is the real cow leather. It looks so beautiful. You can see this pattern, real leather pattern. Very, very nice. It has some decorative but also useful parts here. Also, it is same thing on the back rest. These arm rests are also made of same cowhide material. I pick up this beautiful golden brown color. It is also available in black color. The price of this chair was 250 euros, which is not cheap, but when you consider that you're sitting in chair and that you work 8 hours or more, it is very good investment. When we are talking about padding, you can see here, it has such a thick padding. You can feel it when you sit. Also, these arm rests are very nice padded. Also, this back rest is heavily padded. Now I will show you these wheels. These wheels are made of rubber, so they won't destroy your hardwood floor. They are great. They are smooth. They can rotate in any direction. This mechanism here is very sturdy. It is made of metal. Here it is very well lubricated. It doesn't squeak or make any sound. I work on this chair sitting by my computer every day for approximately 7 to 8 hours. And I can tell you that is very well padded. The comfort is great. you can sit on it for very long time without hurting your bottom. Of course, it is always great to take some pauses and take a little walk or just go to take a glass of water. But when you need to sit for a long time, this nice padding, this cushion is doing its job very well. It is so nice to sit on this chair. Before I had some gaming chair and I had to put additional pillow here to make it more soft, but this Alefjall chair from IKEA made it great from the scratch. The cushioning is so great. Also, this part here, this armrest is super comfortable. I don't have any complaints about that. This part here, the backrest, is also very plushy, very well padded. It is so great and comfortable for a long period of time sitting. This lever for adjusting the height of the chair is very easy to operate and very well made. I don't have any complaints about that. On the other side, this lever for pushing chair in front or back is also very easy to operate, and it is also very sturdy. Only this part here is little longer to adjust because you need to unscrew this wheel here and then move it up or down. When you put your height for this backrest, you won't change it every second. The chair is very heavy. When you take it, it is 21 kilos heavy. That is the best sign to show you how very well it is made. The quality from IKEA is unmatchable for this price. So, what to tell you after 30 days of use? Should you buy this chair or you shouldn't buy it? Well, go for it. You can buy this chair for 250 euros in IKEA, and you won't be sorry for that because this chair is very well made. This leather is perfect. It's so beautiful and so you can feel the quality. Cushioning is great. These metal pieces are super solid and sturdy. These rubber wheels are great. Adjustment system is perfect. This and this lever. Only this thing could be a little better, but it is great too. Arm rests are also great, so you definitely should buy it. And now I will tell you why I regret about buying this chair 1 month ago. My biggest regret is that I didn't buy it before because I was sitting on some lousy gaming chair and I didn't know for this chair. When I found out, I bought it, and this is the best chair that I ever had for my work. So, guys, I hope that you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in my next video. Bye bye.